laid down in the Constitution and written law. It follows that my answer to issue number 1 is in the affirmative. The gubernatorial election for Nyamira, held on the 9th of August 2022, was substantially conducted in accordance with the Constitution, the Elections Act, and regulations. On a preponderance of the evidence and the authorities, the first and second respondents were validly elected as the governor and deputy governor for Nyamira County. That equally answers issue number 3 in the affirmative. It must then follow as a corollary that the answer to issue number 4 is in the negative. The petitioner did not marshal sufficient evidence to the required standard of proof that inures in his favor. Accordingly, he is not entitled to overturn the results as prayed. The upshot being that the amended petition is hereby dismissed. That leaves issue number 5 on costs. Costs ordinarily follow the event and are at the discretion of the court. Section 84 of the Act provides that an election court shall award the costs of and incidental to a petition, and such costs shall follow the course. Rule 30, Sub-Rule 1B of the petition rules empowers the court to set the maximum cost payable. I grant the respondent costs of the petition. Those costs shall be paid by the petitioner. Learned counsel for the respondents prayed that I certify their costs for to counsel. I see no justification for it, and that prayer is declined. Although many witnesses testified and a tome of materials put forth, the amended petition was fairly straightforward and did not raise complex questions of law or evidence. I also note that all the evidence was taken within a week. The instruction fees for the first and second respondents who never took to the stand or called any witnesses are capped at Kenya shillings 1 million. The instruction fees for the third and fourth respondents are capped at Kenya shillings 2 million. The Deputy Registrar of this court shall tax the bill of costs under Rule 31. I direct that the whole or any part of those costs shall be paid pro rata to the respondents from the money deposited in court by the petitioner. Lastly, a certificate of determination of this petition required under Section 86 of the Elections Act shall issue forthwith. It is so ordered. That is the
Your Lordship,